Today we are going to cook special Bombay biryani, and this is, let's see, what is the quantity here? This is the quantity, and we'll be using, they say is 3.5 cups. We're gonna use 5 cups of rice, 3 onions, 4 to 5 tomatoes, which is better, ginger and garlic paste 4 tablespoons, half cup yogurt, 1 cup cooking oil, and this Shan masala, and of course the meat, which is almost 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. You can use more meat, a little more, not a lot. So the onions are here sliced, and they're being fried in 1 cup of oil. So you just slice the onions really fine and then put them in 1 cup of oil on this amount of heat. So this is the amount of heat, okay? And the 5 cups of boiled rice are already being boiled and in my container. These will be used later. So for now, we're gonna just wait until this onion is brown. I'll show you later. So once it starts to look like this, you need to be very much careful because it starts to get brown really fast now. And you see the time is 6:47. And while you were frying the onions, I have diced 5 tomatoes. You can see this size is good for adding it to the mix. Now you can see it's all brown, and I've been stir frying this for 4 minutes, and now we're ready to add tomatoes to this. And now we have added tomatoes to the frying onions, and you can see that it's kind of made a reddish kind of mix, and we have to fry it until the tomatoes are soft and the oil is separated from the mix. I'm sorry about the lightning though. After approximately 18 minutes, we're ready to add everything, chicken and stuff like that. That's our 1 kg chicken boneless. And at this point, it starts to look like this, and you have added everything, the chicken, the Shan biryani masala, and the yogurt, and the 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. And yogurt was like a little less than half cup, not even half cup. So, and now you're gonna add water water as much as the chicken is all inside the mix so that it can be cooked. See, it's already kind of enough, but I will still add the water so that this chicken, we can see the top is kind of coming out, so it kind of goes inside. After adding some water, I'm gonna put this on low heat like this much, and I'm gonna put the lid and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Time right now is 7:15, also 16 I guess. And we are on 20 minutes now, and let's see. So this is ready. And now we're gonna use this container. It's kind of a tray. We're gonna put the layer of rice and then 1 layer of this mix here, and then second layer of rice here, and then second layer of this here, and we have to make sure the second layer of this is the last layer of this, and then we add the last layer of rice. We empty the rice and put everything on top, and then we slice this tomato and put on top, just decorating and looking really good, and then I will show you. So this is the first layer of rice with first layer of the curry over top of it. So second layer of rice, second layer of curry, and that's the third layer of rice, and fifth layer overall. And we'll put aluminum foil over this and put this in the oven on 365 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And it's out of the oven now and we're ready to unwrap it. And it's ready and now we're gonna mix it. And the biryani is ready. As you guys can see, the lovely biryani.